What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Jimmy's Jeepstead. This video is going to be of a Philly cheesesteak on the Blackstone. Here I am thinly cutting up the steak, and I'm going to dice up some onion. For whatever reason, I lost the intro video, so I'm doing a voiceover. Stick around. Let me know what you think about the video. At the end, leave some comments. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you get all of our notifications. And here we go. All right, so this is what we're going to use to marinate. I'm not going to use the whole pack, just a little bit. All right, so it's cooking time. I'm gonna set you guys right here. Let me get the tripod set up on the griddle. All right, so you're gonna be right here at the ground level. So we're about 4 hours into the marinade. And apparently it didn't all, let's see. Oh, it's okay. All the marinade didn't suck into all the meat, but we'll be all right. All right, so first things first, we're gonna put some of our meat down. I'm gonna have to spread it out with a spatula here in a minute. We kind of disperse it around the top because we don't want to shock that top temperature and get that temperature down lower than what we need it at. So we're gonna come across here and do about half the griddle surface, just sporadically place some meat around. Alright, so that's that. I'm gonna run and go wash my hands real quick. Alright, so I got my spatula. We're gonna get that meat. I just seasoned the top with a couple of layers so it's fresh. I need to scrape this stuff up a little bit. We got that. We're going to take our onions. We got Worcestershire sauce, a little bit of cup, and we're just going to plop them right there. And take a little bit of cooking oil, put in with them too. Now, my blackstone top was on high to do this seasoning, and then right before I turned the camera on, I turned the top, all of them, down to low. So here in just a second it's going to start slowing the process down, but that's fine, totally okay. Put a little bit of water on there. Steam them up. Get them cooking. I should probably put my top on, but for this dinner, I'm not going to really worry too much about it. how much meat was in that pack. I didn't measure it out to see, but I don't think this is going to be enough meat for maybe probably 2. That'd be 1. That'd be 1. So maybe 3 sandwiches. Not too bad though. So right now I'm gonna take my hoagie bun and I'm gonna lay it on the griddle top. Try to get them toasty. Now them onions are just for mine. Y'all know if you watch future videos, past videos, my wife and kids don't like onions and all that stuff. And these are just the cheap brand hoagie rolls from Kroger. Nothing fancy. Just a sandwich roll. Give them a little bit more water. Get them cooking. Come over here. Roll our meat some more. Alright. Start separating some of this meat out. I'm gonna push some of that meat to the side and mix it with my onions. Let's see. I'll go ahead and do this one here. Alright. Got them done. So now this is my cheese right here. Smoked flavor provolone. Kroger brand. Like I said, nothing fancy. Oh, get out of that bag. So now we're gonna put that piece there. Put another piece right there, and then this right here. I'm gonna do 2 pieces on mine. Because I like cheese. We're gonna let that melt down. Turn this temperature back up a little bit. Alright, so that's that. Get our trash over there. Let's get our clean spatula and check them buns. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, buddy. Now, we're gonna come right in here and we're gonna put some of that meat on there. Yes, I washed my hands before y'all say anything about it. I already washed them. Alright, now. Ooh, that's hot. We got one sandwich. Now we're gonna do another. Let's see. It's making a mess now, boy. Let's see. We can't get it up on there. Alright. Close that bad boy up, tuck it in. Like that. Lower over here. Alright, that's 2 sandwiches. So now, we'll go with the big boy. The Big Daddy. That's what we're going to call it, the Big Daddy. Big Daddy sandwich. It looks good. It smells good. Just don't know if we can get all this on there. I'm gonna try though. Let's see. I think that's it. Get that meat right there. We'll get off in the Big Daddy. Alright, so I guess I got to clean my griddle and that'll be it for the night. Turn all these burners off, get them ready. I'll come back out here and clean this in a minute. Once we eat, we're going to have some French fries with this. Pretty quick dinner. Y'all see how fast that was. Prep time is pretty easy. The throwing it on the blackstone is pretty easy too. I guess if you keep it clean blackstone. Mine for some reason decided it was going to rust while we were out of town. When I pulled that cover off, it was just full of rust, so I had to re-season it real quick, which takes about 30 to 45 minutes. But yeah, that's it right there. Quick, easy Philly cheesesteak, not a lot involved. Like I said, we like plain stuff, so I guess you can come up here and look at me. My sexy baldness up here at the top. I'll be 38 years old on Wednesday. Man, look at me. I'm already balding. Got gray hair. Happy birthday to me. Everybody leave a comment in the bottom. Tell Jimmy happy birthday. Anyways, we're going to go in here and enjoy some dinner. We'll catch you on the next episode. Don't forget, subscribe, like this channel, share us on social media, share us with all your friends and family, and we'll see you on the next one.
Would you look at that? Delicious.